This video is to show you how to insert an event on a calendar. There's two different ways we can do that. The first way is on your home page on the left. There is a calendar tab. If you click on it, it opens your calendar and it will show all of your classes. Now, I have 43 different classes and groups that I have. Not all of them are active. I have first semester, second semester, and so if you click this down arrow, you can choose which ones are actually being shown. So I only have 10 of them actually showing because the rest of them don't have anything on them really. You can also change the color here. So my chemistry is showing up as orange, my honors chemistry is yellow, and etc. You can change the different colors. So that's how you change which calendars you're going to see. Let's add an event. So let's say on December 14th you want to add that there is no school. If you notice on my calendar, anytime I have a test and I have assigned a date to a test, it automatically shows up into my calendar. Same with discussions and with assignments. So these are all tests that we had. If I hover over it, you can see it comes up with that little puzzle piece that tells me that it is an test that I created in that class, and because I put a date on it, it will show up on my calendar. So one thing that I have added, let's go to the 12th. So the 12th is the ACT test date, and I have that on my Patriot Period calendar, but let's say I want to put that on my chemistry calendar as well. If I click on the date, it will add an event, and I can say this is the ACT test date, and I can put it on my personal calendar, but I want to put it on my chemistry calendar. So honors chemistry, or chemistry is periods 2. I use because of the way my chemistry classes are named, by clicking that I can put it on the 2. It's in period 3 as well. 4 is my honors chemistry, and then 8 is my other chemistry class. So because the period numbers are in my title of my class, I can use the period numbers to insert them, or you can type in the class name as well. So now once I hit create, you could also put a description in, but you can hit create and it will show up on all of my classes that it has an ACT test date. And whenever you hover over it, it will tell you what class that you have that for. The other way that you can add something to your calendar, and sometimes this is a little easier if you want it just for one class. If you go to the class that you want that event to be in, so let's go to honors chemistry. On the right hand side, you'll see everything that's coming up for them. If I click on the little calendar icon right next to upcoming, it will show the calendar just for that one class, and I can add something then to just that one class. Let's say I want to put something here. I can put the event in for just that class. Now I can also copy it to another class on the bottom, but I would title it just like I did before. Let's see, what day did I put? We're going to make Christmas candy that day. So I'm going to put Christmas candy. It's in honors, but I also have it in my chemistry classes. So I've put it in second period. I can also do that and create the event there. Now events will not show up in your workload planning, whereas tests and assignments do show up in your workload planning. So if you want it to be in workload planning, make sure you insert it as an assignment, test, or discussion. If you just want the information for your students, then you can use an event. I hope that helped. Contact me if you have any other questions.